Have you ever noticed something strange? Two people can earn the exact same salary, live in the same city, and even work similar jobs, yet one feels constantly stressed about money, while the other seems completely at peace. Why? The answer isn't how much they earn, it's how much freedom their money gives them. Most people think financial freedom means becoming a millionaire, buying a mansion, or driving a luxury car, but that's not what financial freedom really feels like. In fact, it feels much quieter than most people imagine. Let's find out why. From the time we're young, we're taught one simple formula: work hard, earn more, buy more, repeat. And for a while, it seems to work. You get your first paycheck, you buy a better phone, then a nicer car, then a bigger apartment. Every upgrade feels exciting, but only for a little while. Soon that exciting purchase becomes normal, and you're chasing the next upgrade. Psychologists call this the hedonic treadmill. No matter how much more you earn, your lifestyle keeps expanding, so you never truly feel free. You simply become responsible for more expensive things. Imagine two friends. Alex and Jordan both earn £60,000 a year. Alex spends almost every penny: a luxury car, expensive holidays, designer clothes. Jordan enjoys life too, but saves and invests part of every paycheck. 5 years later, both unexpectedly lose their jobs. Alex immediately starts worrying. Bills keep arriving, the car payment doesn't stop, rent is still due. Jordan feels concerned too, but not panicked. Why? Because Jordan built something more valuable than expensive possessions: time. Savings and investments give Jordan months to find the right opportunity instead of accepting the first job available. That's what financial freedom really looks like. It isn't about never working again, it's about having choices. Here's something most people never realize. Money doesn't just buy things, it buys options. The option to leave a stressful job, the option to start a business, the option to spend more time with your family, the option to say no without fear. And those options are worth far more than another expensive gadget. Ironically, the people who look rich aren't always financially free. Sometimes they're trapped by the very lifestyle they're trying to maintain. Meanwhile, someone driving an older car and quietly investing every month may actually have far more freedom. Real wealth is often invisible. Think of investing like hiring tiny employees. Every pound you invest becomes a little worker. At first, you only have a few workers, so they don't earn much, but over time, they begin earning money for you. Then those earnings create even more workers. That's the power of compound growth. Eventually, your money starts working even while you're sleeping. Instead of trading every hour of your life for income, your investments begin sharing the workload. That's when financial freedom starts becoming real. There's another benefit people rarely talk about: peace of mind. When you're constantly worried about money, your brain stays in survival mode. Every unexpected bill feels like a disaster. Every decision feels stressful. But when you have savings and investments behind you, something changes. You stop making decisions out of panic. You become more patient, more confident, more thoughtful. Financial freedom doesn't just improve your bank account, it improves the way you think. So how does financial freedom really feel? It feels like waking up on Monday without anxiety. It feels like knowing one unexpected expense won't destroy your finances. It feels like choosing work because you enjoy it, not because you're desperate. It feels like having time for your family, your health, and your dreams. The greatest luxury isn't a sports car, it isn't a designer watch, it's having control over your own time, because time is the one thing money can never replace. Ironically, money becomes most powerful when it gives you more time instead of more stuff. So here's one question to remember. The next time you're about to spend money, don't ask, "What can this buy today?" Instead ask, "Will this give me more freedom tomorrow?"
That single question can completely change the way you think about money, and over time, it can completely change your life. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to build real wealth, not just look wealthy. Because financial freedom isn't about owning everything, it's about finally owning your time.